Good morning, December 15th, 2021. This is the sunrise here, central New Hampshire, Lake Winnisquam. You're looking directly at Belknap Mountain and Gunstock Mountain to the left. The first hump on the left is Gunstock. The center hump is Belknap. You might just barely be able to see the television tower that's at the top of the mountain. It's a pretty stunning sunrise this morning. I'll let you enjoy it. And the guy in the airplane. Actually, it's a helicopter. It's a pretty special place here in central New Hampshire. Lake Winnisquam's pretty calm today. Very little wind. This is an Ask the Builder sunrise.